1万1000まできっちり回せてよ。
シンゴとテックって覚えてる？テキサスに住んでる車好きなスティーブ・テキテンのファン。Facebook メッセージが来て、これ見てよ、見て。このパーツは彼らの知り合いのところに、テキサスにこんなコロラの 4AG のパーツいっぱいあって、その中で、ほら
で、何これ
見に行かない？買えるかもしれないよ。行く？見に行こう早速やっぱりね、解読なものが出てくるとすぐ動かないとダメなんで、3時間だよ、あっちゃん。3時間の道で片道いいじゃん。でも必要なパーツが中に入ってるかもしれないのでね、それと少なくてもお金にできるパーツもいっぱいあるんで、
では3時間後にもう一回チェックイン。
楽しくドライブしましょう。世界で一番お姫様あっちゃ、すんげえいい達者だよ、いい達者。
テキサスの田舎で、
すごい日本のいい達者があった。すごい、見て、白人の女性が乗ってるいい達者だ。初音ミク、すげえな。Kid, 3-hour journey down here was 100% worth
it.
Not only for all the parts we got, but again, we've now connected with a super cool guy, a super good guy, Tony here. And Sage, ABC! You're so cute. You're a car guy too. Look, this is Tony and Sage. I want to say thank you, man. Thanks for having us come all the way down. Thanks for sharing a lot of knowledge with us about the A86, about the 4AG engine, a lot of stuff that we don't know yet. We're still learning. And it looks like we ran into a guy who's got so much knowledge. He's part of the community, right, in Texas here on this. And I just hope that this isn't just the first and last time we meet. But, right, Sage? Can we hang out again and meet your dad? Talk car stuff? Yeah? That sounded like a good one to me. Tony, we're appreciative of it, man. Thank you.
Sir.
You've been in this community for a long time?
I've been doing it since I was 18, 19 years old. I'm 35 now, so it's been fun.
Keep familiar, And what are you into now, man? BMWs?
Lots of BMWs, pre-runner trucks, stuff like that. So.
Yeah, well, I guess we're the fortunate of the hand-me-downs of the last of your Toyota stuff, right?
It's the last of it.
Some great stuff. We got some engine parts. We got some interior stuff. Now we have a lot of thinking to do on the way home about what we're going to do.
Yeah,
Tony gave us some really good thoughts and ideas. Sage, come on, man. You want me to hold you? Come on. Come on, look. Look at the camera. Thumbs up. We got a lot of cool stuff and you know what we have more than anything, again, a great resource here in Texas, a guy who made himself available to us with questions, and I have a feeling we'll be reaching out looking for more information from you going forward, man.
Definitely.
Thank you. Dada. Okay, go to Daddy. You ready? Thanks, man.
For sure. Appreciate
Knuckles,
you.
thank
So
you.
much. Yes, sir.
I hope to see you again if you're ever up in the Dallas area.
Yeah,
Come by
definitely.
and visit us.
Definitely. I'll check out the channel too.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Thumbs up. We'll see you again.
あれいきなりどこから来たの？え？わ、すげえ。わ、ワイパー。あれいきなり雨どこから来たの？いきなりだったんだよね。石が。あらら。濡れちゃうのかな。でも場所的には一番いいよね。一番いいところだと思うよ。ね。まだ。大雨だ。いきなり っき晴れだったのに。
あれ来たのに。わお。
RX7 取りに行った感じみたい。
あの日はすごい雨だったね。
もうバッキーズ1マイルだって。
あ、じゃああと1マイルでバッキーズ
行ってみたい。
噂で世界一大きなトラックストップになるのかな。
ガソリンスタンドで行かない。
ガスターだよね。ほらまた雨降ってきたんだけど、でもバッキーズ寄りたいな。お腹空いてるし。
もう雨あっち降ってるね。見える。
あららら。じゃあバッキーズ行こう。
はい
食べに。いいね。食べたい。お、久保田。ほら。久保田。あ、溢れてるね。すごい。オレンジが目立つね。こんなオレンジが。バッキーズも目立つよ。すごい大きい。あれ全部バッキーズだよ。バッキーズ。
街だよ。
うわ
お前が
すげえ。
すごい混んでる。
バッキーズは一つのあれだよね。観光スポットだよね。おお、あちゃんすごいよ。見てこれ。このスタンドがでかくない？もう列が2つもあるんだよ。見てこれ。すげえ。
でも全部もう誰か入ってるよ。
すごくないちょっと。
スーパーじゃん。
中に入ってみよう。でかいよね、これは。
何も79セントで買えないよ。
エクストララージのサイズはこれあっちゃう。このサイズ79センチで。すげえ。これなんて言うんだっけ？
アイシー。
かき氷？アイスなんだ。99セントこのサイズで。安いよね、なんでも。ここはね。いいね。すげえ、あっちゃう。バッキーズのグミがある。
キャンディーコーンも。
なんでも、あとジャーキーがすごくないちょっと。レモンペッパージャーキー。ステーキハウスジャーキー。すげえ。
99セント。
氷が、こんなでかい氷は99セント、1ドルだよ。100円だよね。
バーベキューパーティーの時に
安いよね
5パウンドが10ドルとか。
すごいよ。でもよりもこの冷凍庫の数を見て。すげえ。99。小さいやつが79セント。ほら。安いよ。安いよ。
これは誰かの家？
これはパッキーちゃんの家じゃない。アンコルダンク、ギアスランド。これ、ほら。こんなに大きいガスタン見たことありません。なんかもうスーパーになってて、すごいところです。ただ混んでて、食べるのに時間がかかるから、これだけナッツと美味しそうなチョコレートを買ったんだよね。でもね、今もう帰ろうとしているところを気づいたのは、ガソリンが安いよ。激安だよ、激安。1ガロンは87オクテンは1ドル53セント。
ハイオク2ドル039。
03一番安いよね。ディーゼルでも1ドル70セント台なんで安いよ。バッキーズは面白そうだね。めっちゃ混んでて楽しそうなところなんで、まだゆっくりちょっとここに来ようか。撮影しにあっちゃうね。これ他にもあるんだよね。うちの近くにもなんかあるらしいので。
これ3時間のところで遠いから
ちょっともうちょっと近いところに
30分ぐらいある家から。
お腹空いてたんでナッツ食べようね。
こういうの買いましたね。ちょっと食べてみようか。これこういう感じです。いただきます。どう？美味しい？ナッツがないよね。もうチョコの味しかしない。ほら食べてみて。 パパはこれ選びました。ちょっと食べてみようか。美味しそうじゃない？これはね。よし。これうまいよ。うまいよ。ナッツは高いけどね、安くはないよね。これはいくら？4ドル？4ドル。まあでも多分日本の感覚だったら安いかもね。美味しいよ。美味しい。あ、じゃあすんごいワイドボディ見つかったよ。あれ240のキットなんじゃないの？それすんげえよ。これはワイドボディだよ。シブレイのこれは何？クルーズでワイドボディオーバーフィーザーが止まってるんだよ。すげえ、初めて見た。戻ってきたらちょっと内装のパーツここにありますね。ダッシュもう AE86 の内装も全部1個あるよね。車1個分で、これはバケットシートレールも入ってて、今からアイベンさんのところに行くんだけど、これはもう全部エンジンとかホイールなので、この中もアイベンさんのところに着いたらもうちょっと見せたいんだけど、これはまあほとんどの内装のものだね。まだ箱とかにいろんなものが入ってるんだけど、ほとんどエンジンパーツです。でもアイブンさんのところに行きましょう。着きました。よし、かっこいいスバルだね。おー、かっこいいね。Ivan. Hi, Ivan. We told him where we went yesterday, and we told him a little bit about what we got. But I want to see his reaction when he sees just some of it. Now we unloaded a bunch of stuff already, Ivan. The interior stuff, the seat, a couple of the other things, even an old Toyota grill. What was that grill that we got? A KE50 grill.
A KE50 grill that we're gonna hang on the wall, but it's so beautiful. But what Ivan really wants to see is hiding inside. All right, you ready to see what we got?
Absolutely.
The goodies are in here, man. The stuff you really want to see is here.
Let's take a look.
More back there, but some fun stuff right here.
I'm itching.
All right, let's start pulling some.
Oh man.
All right, Ivan, go ahead. Oh, you got the piece.
I'm so ready.
You got the piece.
I'm ready.
Let's see what we got here.
Oh, man.
My man. Now, he said this is at a machine shop. Tony seemed like a really good guy. He's part of the 86 community, so flip her over and let's see what we got.
Let's see the good. Oh man, it's clean.
Are these new valves?
The weights are good too. Yeah, relatively new valves, yeah.
Relatively newer valves, huh?
Yeah, the intakes are for sure new.
These are new. These look
Yeah.
like they may be reused.
Yeah.
But I believe he said he had some seating done, some work done on it. I mean,
Yeah, we can definitely give it a new surface and
yep.
take them apart, make sure they're
Specs good?
our specs, yes.
All right, man. How'd we do?
I think we're doing pretty good.
So, not to put a big wrench in the, we left here last time we were with you talking about what are we going to do? How are we going to get a budget together to build a good engine something close to what the kid was dreaming about with 10,000 RPMs, right? Or close to that range. We were thinking of different carburation ideas and other things, and then all of a sudden, things happen for a reason. We
Found
met
on
Tony.
Facebook.
We get on Facebook. We met Kid sees Facebook. We meet Tony. We drive down yesterday 3 hours one way, pick up all this stuff, and
Brought Disney to my shop.
and brought Disney into your shop, brought something back to you that now I know changes a little bit what we were talking about, but I appreciate you being flexible with us, working with us, and what I think is, after you see this, do you think maybe we should take this, head over to the engine shop, have them evaluate it, do some measurements and stuff, and think?
I think,
Look at our options.
even though we were thinking on something a little bit different, I think we're still on a good time to change our direction. If that is the case, definitely want to take a look at the head and send it out to get pressure tests. Make sure there's no crack on the head, because it seems like it's been worked on before. So we want to make sure there's a good head to go on in our build and the project. And if it's something good, we might be able to switch lanes over here.
So, and I'm glad that we were able to switch lanes with enough time to safely switch lanes.
Yeah.
Because I know we got some engine work done already on the 16 valve setup, but those are all good parts. There are other things that we can always use, something that maybe somebody else can benefit from.
Yeah.
And again, I think things happen for a reason. It really seems to happen.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna meet a lot of good people that are looking for stuff while you're
Already, man, you're gonna love the community. Tony's a super good guy. Everybody we're meeting is good people. And you're a good guy, man. We're really thankful for meeting you and Raymond.
I'm really
and
happy that
getting to
you
know
guys came along.
So, do me a favor, we're gonna leave this with you.
Yeah.
We're gonna pack the rest of the stuff up. The kid's got some selling on eBay and stuff
A
to
lot
do
of
now.
selling.
Yeah, a lot of money to raise. But either way, I think we scored a home run right here. That's what we're praying for, and look forward to a good report back from you, man.
And see, we're gonna put a silver top on that thing.
Woo! Silver tops right
Yeah,
here.
right here.